Welcome back, friends! In this video, we will be diving into the world of real estate and will be providing you with different ways and steps on how to get started as a beginner. Here's a comprehensive step-by-step guide to getting started in real estate. Step 1. Educate yourself. Read books, articles, and blogs on real estate investing to understand the fundamentals. Attend seminars, workshops, and webinars to learn from experienced investors. Take online courses or enroll in real estate investment programs to gain in-depth knowledge. Step 2. Define your goals. Determine your objectives in real estate investing. Are you looking for long-term wealth accumulation, passive income, or quick profits? Set specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, goals that align with your vision. Step 3. Assess your finances. Evaluate your current financial situation, including your income, savings, and credit score. Determine your budget for investing in real estate and explore financing options such as traditional mortgages, private lenders, or partnerships. Step 4. Build a professional network. Attend local real estate networking events, join investor associations, and participate in online forums to connect with like-minded individuals. Seek mentors who have experience in your desired real estate niche and can provide guidance. Step 5. Choose your real estate strategy. Research and identify the investment strategy that suits your goals and resources. Options include rental properties, fix and flips, wholesaling, commercial real estate, or real estate investment trusts, REITs. Focus on one strategy initially to gain expertise and then expand into other areas if desired. Step 6. Research real estate markets. Study different markets and neighborhoods to identify areas with potential growth, job opportunities, and strong rental demand. Analyze market trends, population growth, economic factors, and local development plans to make informed investment decisions. Step 7. Create a business plan. Develop a detailed business plan that outlines your investment approach, financial goals, marketing strategies, and risk management techniques. Include a budget, timeline, and exit strategy for each investment you plan to make. Step 8. Start building your team. Identify and connect with professionals who can assist you in your real estate journey, such as real estate agents, contractors, property managers, and attorneys. Build relationships with reliable individuals who can help you navigate different aspects of real estate transactions. Step 9. Search for properties. Use online platforms, real estate agents, and networking contacts to find potential investment properties. Conduct thorough due diligence, including property inspections, financial analysis, and market research. Step 10. Analyze deals and make offers. Evaluate the financial viability of each potential deal by analyzing the purchase price, repair costs, rental income, expenses, and potential profit margins. Make offers based on your analysis and negotiate terms with sellers or their representatives. Step 11. Secure financing and close the deal. Finalize your financing options and secure the necessary funding for your investment. Work with lenders, attorneys, and title companies to complete the required paperwork and close the transaction. Step 12. Manage and maintain your investments. If you're investing in rental properties, develop systems for tenant screening, rent collection, property maintenance, and record keeping. Regularly assess the performance of your investments, make necessary adjustments, and stay updated on market conditions. Step 13. Continuously educate yourself. Real estate is a dynamic industry, so stay updated on market trends, regulations, and investment strategies. Read books, attend seminars, and join professional associations to expand your knowledge and network. Basically, to get started in real estate, educate yourself, set goals, assess your finances, build a network, choose a strategy, research markets, create a business plan, build a team, search for properties, analyze deals, secure financing, manage investments, and continuously educate yourself. Start small, be patient, and learn as you go. Remember, real estate investing requires patience, perseverance, and continuous learning. Start small, gain experience, and gradually scale your investments as you become more comfortable. With dedication and the right strategies, you can succeed in the world of real estate. Well, I guess that's a wrap for this video. If you liked this video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up icon. Consider subscribing as well and click the bell icon for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.